This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can build your own building software using hosting your horizons. First, I go to google.com and type hosting air. I click on the first website. Here I log in using my Gmail accounts. On the left hand side, I click on websites and websites list. Now, here I click on add website and hosting a horizons. In the text box, I type, I need a billing software for my supermarket which includes daily, weekly and monthly sales report which is represented through colorful pie chart. Please include both barcode, scanner and manual entry. After typing this, I click on enter. Now, the web AI has been generated successfully. I click on preview to see the changes. Here, I click on products, add a new product and type the product name as nylon rope. Category as household and the quantity as 50 and add. And finally I click on billing and here I type nylon rope. You can see I add to the cart and add the quantity as 2. On the right hand side I click the customer name as Rajan and click on complete sales. Here you can see our supermarket name and the details of the date and time. Finally I click on print. So in this way you can easily create a building software using hosting your horizons for your supermarket. After everything is completed, you can click on go live to launch the web app. Thank you.